Hello guys, welcome to the fifth video on job opportunities from this channel Soulmate Pharma. So today we will be exploring about various job opportunities which are available in this week in the field of pharmacovigilance. So if you just like our video, then please do hit the like button, like, share and subscribe our channel, and forward this video to the needful person, the person who are looking for a job in the field of pharmacovigilance. And thank you guys for your brilliant response and your acceptance of our video regarding these pharmacovigilance job opportunities. We have received a very good response from you people, so keep blessing us guys and just shower your love as well. So moving on to the first job opportunity which is available in this week. So this is regarding a job opportunity in the field of pharmacovigilance for ICSR case processing role at Bioclinica. So they are looking for candidates with 1 to 4 years of experience, and if your existing company is ready to provide you 30 days of notice period, then you can apply for this job at Mysore. The required qualifications are B.pharm, M.pharm and PharmD. So if you have 1 to 4 years of experience in ICSR case processing, then you can just drop your CV to this mail ID kavita.r@bioclinica.com. Next job is at Synergen Biologicals. So the vacancy is at Clinical Research Department. So vacancy for Clinical Research Associate CRA. The number of positions are 10. The required qualification for this post is pharmacy graduate at a minimum, B.pharm or M.pharm, anything. Experience desired is 1 to 2 years, and again this is also applicable for freshers, so freshers can also apply for this job. The department would be clinical research, as I already said. So if you are interested to work in this CRO and just develop your career in the field of clinical research, then you can drop your resume at career@synergenbio.com, and you need to mention this subject line, applying for position of CRA, while writing this mail. The next job is at MCQ Pharmaceutical Limited. Again, this is applicable for freshers. So people with experience of 0 to 6 months in PV, in pharmacovigilance, can apply for this job, and most importantly they are looking for M.pharm candidates only. So this opportunity is not for B.pharm or D.pharm freshers, rather it is applicable for M.pharm freshers only. Sorry, the qualification, yes, they are looking for M.pharm candidates only, and it will be preferred if you have a certificate, any sort of certificate course in the field of pharmacovigilance. So if you have done any short-term course from any of the organization, then you will be preferred for this job. So freshers, if you are M.pharm qualified, then you can apply in this job, and this job is strictly work from office based, not from work from home, and you need to relocate immediately to Ahmedabad at Gujarat. So please be careful that you need to relocate to Ahmedabad immediately, and if you are ready to relocate at this moment only, then you can apply for this job, or else not. So if you are interested, then you can drop your CV to manojit.kumar@mq.co.in. So next job is at Regulatory Affairs Department. So if you are interested to build up your career in the field of regulatory affairs RA, then you can just apply for this job. This job is at McLeod's Pharmaceutical Limited with experience of 1 to 5 years. The location would be Mumbai, Andheri East. So if you are interested, if any candidate is interested to relocate or to apply for this job opportunity at Mumbai, then he or she can drop the CV at anirudh at the rate macloidspharma.com. The next job opportunity is at Pharmazone. The company is hiring for pharmacovigilance department at Ahmedabad location. Again, this is for the experienced candidates only. The first is MICC function with candidates 1 to 2 years of experience. The next one is ICSR function with experience 1 to 2 years again, and last one is that LSR function with experience of 1 to 2 years again. So candidates with 1 to 2 year of experience at this relevant field can apply for this job. So at Ahmedabad location, and you need to drop your CV at bhavesh.rami@pharmazones.com. So this job will be at Ahmedabad, Gujarat again. Now next job is for freshers again. So if a fresher is interested to build up his career with coding, medical coding, then he or she can apply for this job. This job is meant for you guys, and there is another thing that you need to work from home. So they are providing work from home opportunity, so you need to consider accordingly. So if you have any certifications, medical coding certifications, then you can apply for this job. And even if you don't have any certifications or any trainings, short-term trainings, then also you can apply. That means a complete fresher without any knowledge or without any experience in this field can apply for this job. The specialty would be anesthesia coding, Daniel coding, and E&M coding. The experience should be 0 to 5 years. So this is again meant for experienced candidates as well. Means fresher and experienced candidates till 5 years are welcome for this job. The location would be Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore. That means southern part of India. So if you are interested, you can call to Lakshmi or WhatsApp her at this number. Next job is at Cactus. So they are looking out for professionals with experience in creating medical communications content for medical affairs, promo medical education, preferably with an agency of biopharma environment. So this is again something related to medical writing jobs. So candidates who are having experience in the field of medical writing can apply for this job. So if you have the passion of scientific writing with an experience of minimum 2 years relevant to medical communications, that means 2 years of experience candidates they are looking for, and the requisite qualifications are PhD, MD in the field of pharmacology, or PhD in any of the life science field, or PharmD. So you can say if you have these qualifications, then you can just say send your CV to basil.david@cactusglobal.com. The next job opportunity is at Syngene. They are looking for CDM role, clinical data management, with 2 to 5 years of experience at Syngene International, Bangalore. So the work location would be Bangalore, and you should have an experience of 2 to 5 years in the field of clinical data management. Specifically, you should have experience in conducting and closing out activities of clinical trials, basically clinical trial related activities like data reviewing, query raising, essay reconciliation, and database lock. So if you have this sort of experience, then you can apply for this job, and you can send your CV to this mail ID, snehal.desai@syngintel.com. The next job opportunity is at this is GTT Connect. So they are just seems to be some consultancy company. So they are just providing job opportunities to the freshers as well as experienced candidates with experience of 1 year, qualifications of B.pharm, M.pharm, BPT, BHMS, BMS, and BUMS, BSc Nursing, and MSc Nursing. The job title is Drug Safety Associate with Drug Safety Associate, that means the Pharmacovigilance Associate. Name of the activity is to book in and triage cases and data entry of those cases and reviewing those cases. The salary is between 3 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs. The locations are Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Delhi. And if you're interested, then they have provided a registration link from which you can where you can just register your name and required details, and you can also share your CV to this mail ID of Kanchana Malak and Shweta k@gttconnect.com, or they have also provided WhatsApp number, so you can contact them for more details regarding this. So this job opportunity is again for freshers, so they are welcoming freshers as well in the field of core pharmacovigilance. That means booking, triage, data entry, case reviewing, etc. So if you are interested to build up your career in these fields, then you can apply for this job. So the next job opportunity is that Paraxel. They are hiring for senior drug safety physicians with experience of 0 to 2 years Again, here freshers are also welcome, but you should have freshers are also welcome, but this is meant for MBBS and MD personnel. So this is not for pharmacy associates, but this is mainly for MBBS degree holders. The role should be MR or medical reviewer. So they are looking for 0 to 2 years of experience in ICSR medical review, and there should be the candidates should have 1 year of an aggregate review experience as well. The qualifications they are looking for are MBBS and MD. So again, this is applicable for this job is applicable for those associates who are looking for a job which is ready to provide home-based opportunity. So this is WFH model or work from home model job. So you are not required to relocate to the location, to the site for the job. So if you are interested and if you have qualified or have the degree of MBBS, then you can apply for this job and you can drop your CV at pranam15@gmail.com. This person will refer your CV. The next job opportunity is at GlaxoSmithKline at GSK at for the role of clinical operations. So they are looking for CSV, clinical research, study data management, scientific writing, CAPA or QA. So if you have this sort of relevant experience, then you can just drop your CV to alpana.x.das@gsk.com, mentioning the area which you are applying to or want to refer. And if you are just willing to refer, then you can refer or forward this mail to the desired people as well. So there are multiple roles, multiple areas where you can apply, but this is not again for core PV. This is not again a core PV job. It's medically concerned or focused with clinical research, CAPA or data management, medical writings type of job. So if you are interested to apply or build up your career in this field, then you can drop your CV to this person. And experience, they haven't mentioned anything about experience, so you can ping her or just contact her for the required experience, whether they are looking for any freshers or any experienced candidates or not. So the next job opportunity is at Aster. So again, this is a medical coding job. Aster DM Healthcare is hiring medical coders in Bangalore location. So this is again for those who are having experience in the field of medical coding. So you should have coding certifications and they will prefer you a coding experience. And this is again a office based job. That means you need to relocate to Bangalore for this job. You should have multi-specialty experience except HCC. So if you are interested, then you can WhatsApp at this number to the person, or you can share your CV to mohammed.asaruddin@astardmhealth.com. So the next job opportunity is at Cipla. So Cipla is hiring for the position of Pharmacovigilance, ICSR Operations Pharmacovigilance. Candidates with 3 to 5 years of experience in the field of pharmacovigilance, ICSR operations can apply for this job. So again, this is for those who have experience in the field of pharmacovigilance case processing. The notice period, you need to mention the notice period in your subject line as well while applying for this job. And they are looking for candidates, life science graduate candidates. So any life science graduate candidates can apply for this job, excluding physicians, as this position do not include medical reviewer role. So physicians are mainly taking care of this medical reviewer MR activities. So they have excluded MRs for this job opportunity, and they are looking for any of the candidates, any of the life science graduate candidates apart from these physicians. So if you are a pharmacy graduate degree holder, then you can apply for this job, but you should have 3 to 5 years of experience in ICSR pharmacovigilance case processing. And you need to mention your notice period while writing or drafting the CV at in the subject line. So you can share your CV to rohan.shinde@cipla.com for referrals. So thank you guys for listening to this video, staying with us. And again, if you have liked our video, then please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon for getting more job opportunity related updates, and please share your video to the person who are just looking for a job in the field of pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, medical reviewing. Thank you once again, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.